In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicates in Zoho CRM. Duplicate records can really clutter up your system and make it harder for your team to trust the data they're looking at. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clean up duplicates using Zoho CRM's manual merge option, so you can combine records safely without losing important information. First, open Zoho CRM and head to the module where you've spotted duplicates. This could be your leads module, your contacts module, or any other module where similar records are showing up more than once. Take a moment to scan the list view and identify the records that look like duplicates, such as entries with the same name, email, or company. Once you've found 2 or 3 records that you know refer to the same person or organization, click the checkbox next to each of them. It's important that you only select records you're confident belong together, because merging is a permanent action. If you're unsure, it can help to open each record in a new tab and quickly compare the details before you proceed. With your duplicates selected, look for the Actions drop-down at the top of the list view. Click Actions, then choose Merge. This opens the Merge window where you'll see the selected records side by side. Now you need to choose a master record. The master record is basically the primary version that will remain after the merge, and the other records will be folded into it. Typically, you'll want to pick the record that looks the most complete, or the one that has been used more recently, since that often reflects the most up-to-date information. Click to select that record as the master. Below that, you'll see individual fields like name, phone, email, and any custom fields you've set up. For each field, Zoho will usually default to the value from the master record, but you can override that. If one of the duplicate records has a better phone number or an updated email address, you can click on that specific value to keep it instead. Go through the key fields carefully, choosing the specific field values you want to retain from each record. When you're satisfied that the master record has the right combination of details, click Merge. Zoho CRM will combine the duplicates into the single master record, helping you maintain cleaner, more reliable data going forward.